Hi guys, it's Heather from H&P Artistry, and I'm here packaging my Mood Bath Box for January. There are a few boxes that I'm sending a little bit early because they requested them for the holidays. But I wanted to show you guys what was in it, just in case you wanted a little sneak peek. And the first thing in January's box is the Grapefruit Lemongrass Solid Sugar Scrubs. And I am making sure to wrap these really well because it is in a reusable glass jar. Slide it right there. Then we also have our clay charcoal dry face mask and wash, and the way that works is you can use a little scoop to scoop out a little bit into your hand, wet it, and then you use it to in circular motions to wash your face, or you can make a paste with it and use the brush that it comes with to use it as a face mask and leave it on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. And it will kind of be a light exfoliation. It will also pull out any impurities. So you want to make sure that's nice and positioned in there. Next up is our Juicy. It's a berry, citrus, floral. It has some praline, some deep woods, and amber in it. And it's a room spray or an odor neutralizing spray. If they look a little dusty, it's because I'd already packaged and my camera went out, and so I'm redoing this for you guys. It has like the paper shreds on it. But the odor neutralizing sprays that we use can be used on skin. It can be used in the air. If you're going to spray it on furniture, you need to test it in a small area first just to make sure that it doesn't discolor or anything like that. But it was developed initially for injuries and biological odors. And so it works great for absorbing any of those fragrances and smells that you don't want around. Next up is our white tea and ginger soap. And it is hand painted with soap with a hand-piped rose on top, and it smells lovely. All of the fragrances here are fresh and fruity and sweet, and just a really great way to start your new year. This one is our Cactus Flower and Jade Bath Bomb. And there are two options for bath bombs. One is the Honey Almond and one is the Cactus Flower and Jade. Then we have our makeup remover cloth, and this is lovely for your skin. And all you have to do is wet it to wash off your makeup. You can use your favorite cleanser if you want, but it's not necessary. And it is reusable so that you're not wasting makeup wipes. This you can just wash with your regular laundry. Then we have our lip butter and our sugared lip scrub in the set right here. We'll do a sample of fragrance-free soap here. And we'll do a Twilight Woods mini bath bomb here. And let me just make sure everything is nice and tucked in. I don't want any potential breakage of anything. I don't want anything to be damaged in shipping. So I make sure that everything is well padded and packaged so that nothing moves around, nothing wiggles in here. I also make sure that everything is sealed up really well so there shouldn't be any leaks. Okay, let me make sure all of that is nice and tucked in. And then I'm going to close it up here. And forgive my fingernails. I don't know if I've already said that. I haven't had the chance to paint them. And my gel is kind of flaking. Okay. And then we're going to slide in one of our cards with a 5% off coupon. The coupon can be used in the store or for a box. We have our little reminder to let us know what you think of the products, or if there's a product in here that you really love and you don't see on the website, let us know, because it may be a test product that we're wanting to see how people like it and what people think of it, or it could be that we're out and I just need to make sure that I make more. And then I will shut the box. Next step is to put our My Mood Bath Box sticker right here. I have a follow sticker that I put right on the front of the boxes. And then I have fragile stickers that I put around all sides of the box, because I want to make sure no matter what angle you're looking at your box that people know to be careful with it, because I want it to arrive to you in the same condition that I box it. If I can get this open. I am really enjoying doing these boxes. I am already ready for the Valentine's Day boxes, or February's boxes, which is going to be the Valentine box. But I don't want it to be, I want it to be a happy Valentine to you. You can get it as a gift for your significant other, but if you get it for yourself, know that it is a Valentine from us to you, so that you thoroughly, thoroughly enjoy the holiday yourself. And get my tape ready. I went to the post office, I bought new tape, and I am not a fan in any way, shape, or form of this new little tape. The roller doesn't actually cut, so I have to do it all by hand and hand cut it. Now I tape it the way I do because I want to make sure nothing falls out of the box. I want to make sure that everything, like I said, arrives nice, safe, sound, just the way I packaged it in the first place. I don't want anything to come out. I think that's probably one of my worst fears with the boxes, is that it will get to you and only half the products are in it, and that just terrifies me. So I make sure that I tape it all the way around once, just to be sure, and I make sure I tape the lid down. So when you open it, you will cut it here. I put one little strip of tape here, so you'll cut it here on the side, right there, and then you'll cut it on this side right here, and you should be able to open it. Just like that. And then I will put the packing label right here when it's ready to go out. This one won't go out for about 2 weeks, but the rest of them I did today. They're going out this afternoon. But this is it. The box is ready to go. I hope you guys really enjoyed seeing the packaging process and everything that goes into the box. So this is Heather from HMP Artistry, wishing you luck, love, and a great day. Bye, guys.